A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet connection and routes it through another server. This can prevent network filters from seeing which websites you are trying to access, allowing blocked pages to load normally. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to do this using NordVPN. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN for a great price. Before continuing, it's important to say this clearly. Using a VPN is legal in most countries, but you should always check your school's acceptable use policy and local laws. In many cases, using a VPN for privacy, security, or accessing educational content is allowed, but you should confirm this yourself to be 100% sure. To get started, go to the NordVPN website using the link in the description. Create your account, choose a plan, and download the NordVPN app. If you cannot install apps on the school computer, you can install NordVPN on your phone or personal laptop and connect through a hotspot if allowed. After installing, open NordVPN and log in. You will see a list of countries and servers. For school networks, it's best to connect to a nearby country to keep speeds fast. If your school uses strong filters, enable obfuscated servers in the NordVPN settings. These are designed to work on restricted networks. Once connected, open your browser and visit the website that was previously blocked. In many cases, it should now load normally. If it doesn't, try switching servers or refreshing the page. Remember to use this responsibly. Do not access anything illegal or inappropriate, and always respect your school's rules. A VPN should be used for privacy, security, and legitimate access, not to cause trouble. So that's how you can access blocked websites on a school computer legally and safely. Protect your privacy, stay secure on shared networks, and always follow the rules. By the way, if you want to try NordVPN at a discounted price, I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan this QR code with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN.